Hi there, this is NikitaNet. We had a little issue today, a very big issue. That prevented me from basically doing this job I am just finished with. Well, Houston, we had a failure. We had a problem. This drill set, which I have had for many years. One of the first videos on the channel shows me cleaning this thing, even if I remember correctly, right? Well, the battery packs failed. One would charge a little bit but had no real power in it. The other one showed good right away. And well, this one or that one, whatever one, doesn't matter, but the one that charged and the one that didn't charge showed green quite quickly, but they had no power in it, while we did need to drill a little, well, couple of things. So that meant we basically had an issue that is a big problem, because I needed to fix this mess. What we've got here is a non-functional door handle. And we do need that, so take off the trim, remove this piece of styrofoam, pressed styrofoam, as best as you can, and you're not seeing what I saw at that point in time, because, well, let's grab that item. There is right there normally this mounted with pop rivets here and here, which means that basically, well, you've got a big issue if you want to try and get at the mechanism that's right there. So what we needed to do was drill it out. The cordless drill died, so we needed to use the corded one, my old trusty drill, and to use that we needed power. And this evening I was able to find a place to use a bit of power just to drill these two locations out, so I can fix this properly and expediently, because, well, this takes precedence, right? Being able to open up and lock your door completely, securely and in comfort is very necessary, right? Going through the passenger side inside, opening the door with high winds means that your door will blow away and damage itself, the car, or other things, which is unacceptable. So this is NikitaNet saying, I hope you found this video interesting. Like or dislike this video at your pleasure, of course. Subscribe to the channel, and do please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.